Now let's take a look at object photos. Here are the questions that you need to think about when you look at object photos. What is it? Is it doing anything? Where is it? What's it made of? Let's start with the first question. Let's look at the first question. What is it? Very simple question, right? Well, sometimes yes, but sometimes the word that you expect will not be said. So there's always more than one way to say an object. Now we'll talk about this later in the tips lesson, but for now, just remember, there are always more than one way to say something. A. There is a pen next to the books. B. A pencil is lying on some diagrams. C. There is a ruler under the pencil. D. He is writing a letter to his pen pal. We can see a picture of a pencil, not a pen, laying on some paper next to some books. But that paper can also be called diagrams. The correct answer is B. Second question. Is it doing anything? Sometimes an object is not doing anything at all. But if the object is doing something, you need to know about it. Let's take a look at an example. A. There are many apples on the table. B. They are making pumpkin pie. C. Many children are dressed up for Halloween. D. The pumpkins are glowing orange. Here we see many pumpkins. The pumpkin's candles have been lit, so the pumpkin is glowing orange. The correct answer is D. Third question. Where is it? You need to think about the location of the object. Is it on a table? Is it between chairs? Under a book? Try to think about these location words. On, under, between, next to, behind. These are called prepositions, and we will study about these later in the tips lesson. Let's take a look at an example. A. The chairs are on the table. B. There is red wine in the glasses. C. The turkey is under the chairs. D. The candle is in the center of the table. Here we have many objects arranged on a table. If you look at the middle or center of the table, you will see a candle. The correct answer is D. Fourth question. What is the object made of? Is it made of wood, steel, cotton? Let's take a look at an example. A. The paper cup is recyclable. B. The glass jar is empty. C. There is an aluminum can on the ground. D. The can is filled with paper. This is a recyclable can. These cans are usually made of tin or aluminum. The correct answer is C. Okay, let's review the object photo questions. What is it? Is it doing anything? Where is it? What's it made of? Try and remember these questions and ask yourself these questions